Welcome back to Motor Minds Info, where we dive deep into some of the most iconic vehicles ever built, exploring their history, design, and legacy. If you're passionate about classic cars and timeless engineering, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our in-depth reviews and features. Today, we're taking you back to 1953, a golden era for automotive design and craftsmanship. We're focusing on the legendary 1953 GMC Truck, a true icon of vintage American engineering. This model has become a highly sought-after collectible among classic car enthusiasts. Let's break down what makes this vehicle so special and why it continues to capture the hearts of car lovers worldwide. The 1953 GMC was part of the Advanced Design series, which first debuted in 1947. This truck was designed not just for utility, but also for style and performance, setting the standard for the modern pickup truck. The 1953 model in particular stood out with its bold front grille, rounded fenders, and a single-piece curved windshield, a design feature that gave it a cleaner, more modern look compared to earlier models. Under the hood, the 1953 GMC was powered by a 228 cubic inch inline-six engine, capable of producing around 93 horsepower. Now that may not sound like much by today's standards, but for the early 50s, it was a workhorse. This engine was known for its durability and smooth performance, making it ideal for both farm work and everyday driving. One of the standout features of the 53 GMC was its build quality. Trucks were made with solid steel, emphasizing durability. Many examples still survive today in remarkable condition, thanks to that robust construction. The bed was crafted from heavy-duty wood planks, giving it a rustic yet functional appearance. Inside the cabin, simplicity was key. The dashboard was minimalistic, with basic gauges and controls, but the attention to detail in the chrome accents and design made it feel premium for the time. The bench seat was designed to accommodate 3 passengers, making it a practical work vehicle with a touch of elegance. Now let's talk about the collectability factor. The 1953 GMC has become a prized possession in the classic truck community. Its timeless design, coupled with its historical significance, makes it a favorite at vintage car shows and auctions. Restored models can fetch impressive prices, with some fully restored examples reaching upwards of $50,000 or more, depending on originality, condition, and customization. For those considering a purchase, the price for a 1953 GMC can vary greatly. A project truck needing significant restoration might sell for around $10,000 to $20,000, while a fully restored model can command $40,000 to $60,000 or even higher for museum-quality examples. When it comes to restoring a 53 GMC, authenticity plays a big role in value. Original parts, matching engine numbers, and period-correct paint colors all contribute to a higher valuation. Popular paint colors for this model year included forest green, jet black, and cardinal red, each adding to the truck's vintage charm. Driving a 1953 GMC today feels like stepping back in time. The mechanical simplicity, the sound of that inline-six engine, and the feel of the classic manual transmission create a unique driving experience that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. It's not just a truck, it's a piece of history on wheels. Now, a common question we get from viewers is, what makes the GMC different from Chevrolet trucks of the same era? Great question. While they share a similar platform, GMC trucks were often equipped with slightly larger engines and more upscale trim options compared to their Chevy counterparts. This made them a bit more rugged and premium, appealing to a different segment of buyers. If you're thinking of buying a 1953 GMC today, it's essential to consider factors like rust damage, original parts availability, and previous restoration quality. Many enthusiasts recommend starting with a solid frame and minimal rust to avoid costly repairs. So, is the 1953 GMC still a good investment in today's classic car market? Absolutely. With its timeless design, historical significance, and increasing rarity, it's a solid choice for collectors and vintage vehicle fans alike. Plus, its popularity continues to grow, which often drives up value over time. If you own a 1953 GMC, or have memories of one? We'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. Share your restoration projects, driving experiences, or even tips for fellow collectors. Your input makes this channel a community for car lovers worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through automotive history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1953 GMC, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow classic car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more vintage car reviews, restoration tips, and automotive.